Alright, we are in the town of Thurmond, which is an old ghost town that the National Park Service has restored pretty much. So we're going to go walk it and check it out. And that is the bridge that brings you into town. Okay, we are heading down here to the post office first, or area anyway. That's the post office. There's the Bubbanator.
I will take you.
I'll spank you. And there's the visitor center. Parking is over there. Maps. Bubbanator's being a butt. Hotels. And this, I guess, would be downtown Thurmond. Not really sure what building that was. Oh, that one right there, that's pretty cool.
I thought that was a bank down yonder.
Then we have the town hall. And there's a ghost right there.
Shut up.
Looks like they're currently restoring this one. What was this building, Clayton?
It's a house.
So, yeah, looks like people have been in there and doing graffiti and stuff. Wow. All right, one last note is there is plenty of parking over here across from the railroad depot, which is right there. The visitor center is in the railroad depot, and there's a couple of spaces for parking right in front of it. Bathrooms are inside the visitor center.